My name's Ahmed Zedin and I'm the Managing Director of the Rock Sole Plaice in Endell Street, Covent Garden, London. And the Rock Sole Plaice is one of the original birthplaces of fish and chips, and this restaurant has been serving customers for 150 years. We're a fast, casual dining with a quick turnover of customer. As such, what we find is that over the generations we've served Londoners and we're serving new visitors, and we're welcoming people to London to experience the very best of fish and chips London has to offer. We've been now a customer for 3EPOS for just over 1 year, and in that time we have experienced a level of customer service and support that we've never experienced in this field. We've never been undersold, oversold. 3EPOS has delivered exactly what was promised, and if there has needed to be further development to fine-tune it to our needs, they have persisted until they've achieved the result, and they've been very quick and diligent in their manner. On our site here we have 4 distinct trade areas, 3 separate restaurant rooms, and the system is very, very quick to adapt to it, and we can switch over and move tables. It's a lot easier than previous systems. This has just stepped up another level for us. You know, we're seeing the light now of what we can really do with such systems. I'm seeing the aspect of I can review the productivity of individuals working in specific areas. I can see this in real time. I can see reports that I want to generate on a specific element of my business, and I can hone in on that pretty quickly. And if not, the guys at 3EPOS are showing me the ways to access that and put that into my own spreadsheets. The current new boon for us would be the PDQ machines able to issue receipts from the system direct to the customer without my staff having to come in and do 2 journeys to the table. A second element that we really feel we can't work without now is the tablets. Over the course of a day, especially in the restaurant, which turns over the quick turnaround numbers that we do, these add up to the difference of possibly even an extra member of staff being required. So it's very, very time efficient for us, and it's been an absolute godsend. 3EPOS really did deliver a system that works so quick and easily and reliably that really sets them apart from the rest. I would recommend 3EPOS and already have done to several of my colleagues in the field. What we've found that differentiates 3EPOS and why I feel such confidence in recommending them is they strive to improve your system every day, and you can tangibly feel their motivation in trying to help you achieve the results you're looking for.